the best side hustle for pick some grasses and give to them, and they will live healthy after. You get, as you can see, so that when you want to pick the one that you want to give to your rabbits, like you will not, like, you will not be confused, and it will not be hard for you to choose the one that will best suit the digestive system of your goats, bunnies. Yeah, this is water leaf and this is very cheap. You can plant it in your backyard and it's very nutritious for your little bunnies, and it's very good for their digestive system. Your rabbits love them so much, like, rabbits love them so much. Your cute bunnies will love to digest this grass. So if you're looking for a business that you can start, your livestock farming business that can earn you cash with less stress and less money investments, so you can try rabbit farming. So all you need is this grass, this elephant grass, and another one is this grass. So I'm going to this one. This bitter leaf, or bitter leaf. You can see bitter leaf. This is bitter leaf grass, and you can plant it in your backyard. You can be giving to your rabbits once in a week for deworming them. Yeah, you can use this to deworm them once in a week. You see this one, you love them so much. I've been telling you about this livestock farming that can put money on your table. You have explored, like, with just two cute bunnies in your backyard. You see, this livestock farming is very, very lucrative, especially people in Nigeria and people outside, like, worldwide. Yeah, you see this farming now with just field grasses, like, you don't have to spend much on pellets. That's processed feed to give to them, just for them to make them eat. You just have to feed them with the grasses in your backyard, and they will live healthy and produce more livestock for you. Your bunnies, you can resell them and make money and make more profits because they produce a lot. In terms of production, rabbit is the number one animal that produces more and more. You don't need to be spending your money on processed feeds and all that. Just give them, and make sure that when you get these grasses, make sure you go inside the bush, like, you enter, like, inside and pick the ones that is inside, because those ones are less to be contaminated. Because all these ones in front of the road like this, in front of the road like this, and people can pee on them or they can be contaminated, so they are not good, and, like, they are not 100% perfect for them. You see, this livestock that I'm telling you about is very cute. It's a very good and lucrative livestock farming that you can do, and you will enjoy doing it with less stress, and it's very affordable. So if you have been looking for something that can add money to your pocket, a side hustle that you can do to earn more money, try this livestock farming, especially bunnies. Buy a male and a female, then they will produce many rabbits for you. Before you know it, your compound is filled with a lot of rabbits. Very good. Just try this and come back to me and tell me that, wow. So I'll be really happy to be sharing the stories of this livestock, and thank you for staying to this moment. Please subscribe, because I'm going to give you more tips on how to train these rabbits, on how to make them healthy, and on how to make the farming very successful for you, so that they will not die, like, they will not be infected, so that they will be producing for you, and you will have enough meat and enough money to use for yourself. So our next video is going to be on how to choose a healthy rabbit, so that you will not end up buying infected rabbits. So that you choose the healthy one, and when you bring them home, they will produce healthy rabbits for you. So don't forget to click the like button, and don't forget to give this video a share, because you might be saving a soul. If you have been looking for some side hustle that you want to do, and you know someone that have been looking for side hustle, really love it, because this journey we are going to it together. Okay, thank you, and thumbs up. Sending love from here.